National Paddle League. And within next, I think, 15 minutes, I will let you know what we have developed, how this league is going to progress all over the year, especially for Pindi and Islamabad. And at the end, if you have any questions, please do ask me. All right. What we are trying to do is, in one sentence, to build an ecosystem around paddle so that any kid in Pakistan can take paddle as a career, can actually pursue it, which is lacking at the moment in our country. So it's the first structured league in Pakistan. In first quarter, it will be in Pindi Islamabad. In second quarter, it will be in Lahore. In third quarter, it will be in Karachi. And in the 10th month of next year, it would be a Champions League of the city winners. Next. Key dates for the Islamabad play registration. You already know the play registration and club registration has already started, and the deadline is 30th of November. So what is happening in Pindi Islamabad, when on 30th of November the registration closes, we would have club bidding, that is from 3rd to 5th December. Then the trials of the players, all those club owners who will successfully bid for the franchise clubs, we would request them to witness the player trials. I already know that there won't be an issue in the alpha category players. But for the B and C segment, I would really request all those who win the bid to actually come themselves or send their scouts so they actually know whom they are betting on. So after that, there would be categorization. Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. Alpha is pro, Bravo is semi-pro, and C is intermediate, which will be followed by the bidding of the players. And then from January, February, March, that's the tenure of the league. Now coming over to the league format, we have total of 6 franchise clubs per city. In Pindi Islamabad, we have introduced 6 franchise clubs. We will be displaying their kits and their logos at the end of this presentation. Now coming over to the financial commitments, every club who is interested for the bidding process has to give an amount of 50,000 rupees. That is a non-refundable amount. So what we are offering if you buy the franchise from us, the base price of every franchise is rupees 3 lakh. What you get in return of that, that is franchise rights, access to player draft, branding, marketing assets, digital and media support, and yes, eligibility to the Champions League, which is going to happen at the end. Now the team composition, every club owner will be allowed one team per category in Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. And in each team, there will be 2 playing members and 1 reserve member. So the base prices for the players in Alpha category, it is 80,000. In Bravo, it is 50,000. And in Charlie, it is 30,000. Franchise benefits full participation rights in the PPL of the Twin Cities, access to centrally organized trials and player bidding, a complete branding package, club logo, kits, media templates, dedicated media coverage, highlights, and social promotion, commercial rights, including sponsorship acquisition and revenue share. So, with regards to this point, that how the clubs can earn from sponsorship, clubs can bring in their own sponsor. For the first year, the league is going to charge 20% of the revenue as a royalty on that. In the next year, it is going to come down to 10%, and in the third year, it will be on 0%. The clubs will be totally autonomous in their local sponsorship, which is linked to the kits of the franchises. Now coming to the most important point, that what would be the prize pool distribution. So for Alpha category, the team coming on first place will get 1.2 million. On second place, 1 million. Third place, 8 lakh. Fourth place, 6 lakh rupees. Let me put across a point that this distribution is 65% for the clubs and 35% for the players. Next. In B category, first place gets 8 lakh, second place gets 6 lakh 50,000, third place gets 5 lakh, fourth place gets 3 lakh. For C category, first place is 4 lakh, second is 3 lakh, sorry, second is 3 lakh, third is 2 lakh, and fourth is 1 lakh. So, what we have tried to do over here is that there is a total number of 6 clubs. So, 4 out of 6 get something out of this league. So, this is, I do understand it's the start of the product. This will be your main revenue stream. But at the same time, I will request all of you to engage your local sponsors so that you can have an additional revenue stream added to it. Next. For the club kits and branding, there are certain, I can say, format which we have adopted, uh, which resonate with the club names we have kept, and we have tried to have a resonance in the club kits too. But we are open to the idea that when somebody wins the franchise club, for example, case in point, we have Twin Cities Stallions. At the end, that club owner says that I want a certain customization according to my club. Case in point, Medan owns a club, and Medan says that we want a certain customization, the kit customization according to our own club. So we are open to that idea, but let me say it outrightly that the last right is reserved with us because we have to look at a lot of aspects. There should be no contradictory colors between two clubs. We have to keep all these aspects in mind while finalizing all of this. Point structure is very simple. You win, you get 2 points. You lose, you get no point. If there is a match for some reason, there might be rain or any other reason, it does not go through, it's 1 point each. So this is the league ranking structure in the sense that every category will have an individual position. For example, A has individual 6 position, B has likewise, and likewise for C. But at the end, there will be consolidated positions. For example, there are 6 clubs participating. These are the points which will be followed, and there will be consolidated position for every club. What is the purpose of that consolidated position? Any club coming on first and second will be given the same the option of entering this league on the same bid value which will be of the first year. That is a very big incentive because this product inshallah would have grown in the second year. So for first year, whatever the base price you get, for example, you get a club at 3 lakh rupees, that will be the same amount for your extension for next year. But this is only for the clubs coming on first and second on the consolidated positions, not for everyone. Next. Before we go to question and answer, let me disclose the club names, their logos, and their kits. Since you understand it's a league basis, there would be home matches and away matches. So we have kept 2 kits. One is a home kit, one is an away kit. The first name is Twin City Hawks. Pieces of. This is the home kit, away kit. Then we have Twin City Lions. This is the home kit. Then the away kit. Then we have Twin City Markhors, home kit, away kit. Likewise, Twin City Sharks, away kit. Twin Cities Stallions, home kit, and followed by away kit. One thing I would request all of you who are interested in registering for this and ultimately becoming part of the league, you all have to understand that it is not something which is just going to be there just for 1 year. We want the longevity in this league. This can only happen when the people being onboarded with us have the same mindset. They also believe in this thing that paddle has the right potential in our country to grow, and we should be the pioneers in developing this ecosystem. So for that, I would request to take this sport, not restrict this sport to only those 4 players playing inside, but make it a community engagement in which you can have events in which you can increase your fan base. That is why we have kept this whole concept of a franchise club, so that there can be a community engagement involved. Only then the longevity aspect can sustain in this. Otherwise, it won't be a sustainable model. This is the logo for the Bulls: Hawks, Lions, Markhor, Sharks, Stallions. Now, any questions you would like to ask?
So
Jeevan Shai.
my question is basically अगर एक क्लब ने 3 लाख की बेस प्राइस से स्टार्ट कर रहा है टीम लेने, so is it necessary for them to buy to have teams in all 3 categories or just one category?
It's necessary for them that they have to participate in every category.
ठीक है, so if I close if there is an open bet and let's say 3 से 4 लाख के बीच में या 5 लाख पे जो भी मैं टीम परचेस कर लेता हूँ, I would have the right to get players in cat C, B and A.
Yes, all three categories. अब्दुल्ला पूछ लो यार, कुछ नहीं होता, पूछ लो.
मेरा सिर्फ उससे इंटरेस्ट इज देयर आर ओनली 6 टीम्स एट द मोमेंट.
Yes.
व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द चैंपियनशिप इन ऑल टुगेदर? वो 6 टीम्स आपस में compete कैसे कर रही हैं?
It's a round robin.
टोटली
A total round robin. ठीक है, you get a home match, you get an away match. At the end, point score के accordingly there will be top 4 जो playoffs में जाएंगे. ठीक है, playoffs के अंदर top 2 का सबसे पहले मैच होगा. Top 2 में whoever wins goes directly to the final.
Eliminator style.
Eliminator style. PSL style basically.
And जो sorry.
जी 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 जी.
फाइनलिस्ट हैं दो, वो आगे चैंपियंस लीग के लिए क्वालीफाई कर रहे हैं.
नहीं, फाइनल
या एक
सिर्फ एक फाइनलिस्ट. By finalist we mean winner of Alpha, Bravo and Charlie.
Yeah, for anyone interested in getting a club, can you give us a range? कितना invest करना पड़ेगा, कितना return आ सकता है?
The base price we have kept for 3. That is just for the club. Then we have different base prices for the players. So in total you're looking at a figure of 6 lakh rupees. If we calculate the bare minimum, you're looking at, and what we have tried to do, that in perspective of business sense, that you have to aim according to that you make one good team and land it in top 4 of A category. You can get your investment out of it at the end of 3 months, and you have to understand you're getting a marketing push out of all of this. This all is going to be live streamed on Myco, and yes, we are in talks that we keep a semi-final and final of A category live broadcast. So that is a lot of traction which comes into it.
In terms of events hosting rights, बता सकते हैं कि local matches local clubs पे ही होंगे, and then semis और finals कहाँ हो रहे हैं?
लोकल मैचेस बिल्कुल उनके अपने होम वेन्यूज के ऊपर होंगे, जहां से ही हम प्लेऑफ्स की तरफ जाते हैं. दोज विल बी सेंट्रल लोकेशंस which will be decided by us, and we will disclose that in due time.
So coming back to the financials, coming back to the
जी जी
financials, एक आपकी बेस प्राइस हो गई, which is like an entry price. जो आप कह रहे हैं 3 लाख रुपए से क्लब परचेज कर ले या 4 लाख रुपए का.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
So that is for 1 year, basically.
For 1
For
season.
1 year.
Yes.
Process is going to be repeated
For the next year.
there and next year.
No, what is going to happen in second year? In second year, we are going for long-term contracts. For the first year, it's the initial phase, and that is the sole reason we have kept this price very low. It's a very decent price which we have kept, that so that everybody can come in and participate and actually make it a success story.
So initially, let's keep this at 3.5, 4 lakh rupees for the club price.
Right?
उसके बाद each club you're saying will have to buy 3 players in each category.
G.
So that's the player की price है 80,000.
80,000.
80 for Alpha, 50 for
So 80, 80, 80 and then उसके बाद करके तो उन सारे players को
Players would be getting an engagement from the league. One, players will be getting 50% of their betting value. Players will be getting 35% of the prize pool. So players will be getting a good chunk out of all of this. But yes, through different compartments.
तो क्लब के लिए जो कॉस्ट आ रही है वो जो एडिशन प्लेयर की बिडिंग की कॉस्ट
Bilkul. If you calculate it simply, 80 plus 80 is 160, 50 plus 50 is 1 lakh, then 30 plus 30 is like 60. Okay. You calculate it's roughly 3 lakh, again rounding it off. So you come to 6. You have a reserve comes on 50%. You don't take the reserve on the whole betting value. It has to come down to 50%.
and are these current teams of players that are already playing or are they individual players?
These all would be individual players. It's not a team format. There is a reason behind it. We are very in the early stages of battle in our country. The whole point behind this is that we get to know new talent, and you never know, there are teams outside which will pair up very well. Not teams, but individuals which are going to pair up very well.
And this is only men's.
Right now in Islamabad, it's men. In Lahore, we are thinking of introducing the women category, and likewise for Karachi.
ये जो क्लब्स हैं ये इस्लामाबाद के लिए
This is sorry.
entire thing is going to be replicated
No.
in Karachi and Islamabad separate.
Separately, that would be separate. Those franchise clubs would be separate for Lahore. Franchise clubs for Karachi would also be separate.
So इसका commercial value में you're saying कि income for the clubs is the prize money,
Yes.
and if the league get any sponsors उसका percentage clubs को मिलेगा.
नहीं, जो लीग के स्पॉन्सर्स हैं, दोज आर फॉर द लीग. आप अपना स्पॉन्सर लेके आते
उसका percentage clubs को भी share होगा.
नहीं, उसका क्लब को नहीं शेयर होगा. जो आप स्पॉन्सर्स लेके आते हैं फॉर योर किड्स, we are going to provide you spaces for the kids, so you can also bring in sponsors, because that is a revenue stream you can actually generate. For the first year, we are going to keep 20% royalty. For the next 10 and the third year, there would be 0 royalty.
And one more thing, so the first two teams, so these contracts are for 1 year, let's say. The first two teams, they have to go through the rebidding process again? Or
No.
they'll be able to retain it?
They would be able to retain it. The first two teams in the consolidated positions, I repeat, in the consolidated position, not category wise, but the consolidated position, the first two teams get the same contract next year. They won't have to enter this bidding process again. And the good thing, on the same bidding value which they had for the first year. So that is a very big incentive which we are giving away for the first.
So you just have to pay that price again and you will be able to retain it?
Yes, you renew your contract.
I've got a question. वो ये है कि वो contract review होना है separate thing, player retain होना है separate thing.
Player retention की नहीं बात हो रही. Right now we are talking about franchise retention. For example, case in point, district कहता है हमने ले लेना है, franchise club ले लेना है, ठीक है. Next year, instead of again getting into the bidding process, ठीक है, वो already franchise club उसने ले लिया होगा. Player की bidding दोबारा से होगी. It's not for the players. For the second year, हम players के भी long term contracts कर रहे हैं. क्लब्स के भी और प्लेयर्स के भी सेकेंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स हम लॉन्ग टर्म कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स कर रहे हैं. सो दैट द एक्चुअल प्रोपोजिशन है कि अगर एक के साथ आपने एंगेजमेंट कर लिया, आपने कोई प्लेयर्स बना लिए, देन आप दूसरे साल भी उन्हीं के साथ चलें. आपके पास स्पेस आती है पूरे साल में. यू हैव 9 months विद यू, 3 months की लीग है जिसमें 1 महीने में आपके प्लेयर्स की, तो आप उनको डेवलप करना चाहते हैं. यू हैव एम्पल ऑफ टाइम कि इस दफ़ा सी वाले थे तो वो अगली दफ़ा बी में खेल लें, या बी माइनस अगर उनका शेयर था वो बी प्लस के ऊपर आ जाएं. सो उस सारे प्रोसेस को वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो इट, बट सेकेंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स. जी जी
Sorry, go ahead.
जी जी.
Just one thing, that how you will categorize the ranking of these players initially at first stage, because now for sure some players are at ranking done by different apps or by Pakistan or other anyways. So how you will at first stage, how you will define that this player will be playing category A and category B?
All right.
Because initially there's no fixed rule.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. That is why we have kept those trials. For the first year we have kept these trials because the data with us is very raw. किसी ने नेशनल खेला है, किसी ने खेला है, किसी ने नहीं खेला, किसी ने पाकिस्तान खेला है. The data is very raw. ठीक हो गया. फिर द सेकंड पॉइंट इन ऑल ऑफ दिस इज कि वो जो डाटा है भी इट्स लाइक फर्स्ट टू 6 और फर्स्ट टू 8 फर्स्ट टू 10 वाले मैचेस यहाँ पे हुए हैं. हमारी लीग में इस बेस्ट ऑफ 3 सेट्स, देयर इज नो फर्स्ट 6 और ना वो, इट इज अ प्रॉपर मैच इन बेस्ट, सो दैट एक्चुअली पता चलता है. माय पॉइंट के नडाल बहुत सी दफा पहले 2 सेट हारता है और आखिरी 3 जाके जीतता है, सो यू गेट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो उसी के लिए हमने ट्राइज रखे हैं, फॉर यू क्वेश्चन, उसी के लिए हमने ट्राइज रखे हैं. वी हैव अ टीम विच इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. ठीक हो गया कि नहीं? Some would know someone and other are going to just judge it from their playing style. ठीक हो गया? So we would have to do this for the first year. Second year we would have the statistics with us to make it easy for us.
How long will digital trial will take off? Like
7 days.
very, very difficult to judge the player, or even that he is not playing himself good, because just to show him.
The one who is not playing himself good has already played very well, so everybody would be knowing them.
सर फॉलोअप क्वेश्चन है मेरा कि यार्डस्टिक क्या होगी बी और सी के लिए? हाउ वुड यू डिटरमिन कि ये इस लेवल का प्लेयर जो है whether he falls in C or whether he falls in B?
वो you're right about that. We have created certain parameters. ठीक है, वो हमने अपने इंटरनली डिस्कस भी किए हुए. ठीक है, वो वी आर डिस्कसिंग इट एट समवन एट लाहौर हु इज वेरी वेल वर्स्ड विद ऑल ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा टूर्नामेंट्स में वो इन्वॉल्व है. वो एक सर्टन पैरामीटर हम डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, वो हम आपके साथ शेयर भी करेंगे आफ्टर बिडिंग, जब व्हेन द बिडिंग कंक्लूड्स कि जी ये पैरामीटर है, इसके ऊपर, या अगर आप खुद नहीं आ सकते, अपना स्काउट भेज रहे हैं आप वहाँ पे, इस पैरामीटर के ऊपर आप भी आके देखें. एंड कल को आपको कोई चीज़ लगती है, बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो पुटिंग इन योर मनी इन ऑल ऑफ इट ना. ठीक है, यू then eventually you're part of the brand. ठीक है, we would take you along with us, not कि जी हमने खुद करके दे दिया भाई यही है जो है. हम आपकी इनपुट जरूर लेंगे उस सारी चीज़ के अंदर.
और इसका जो क्वार्टरली ब्रेकडाउन है वो बता दें तो लेट्स से फर्स्ट क्वार्टर इस्लामाबाद में.
अच्छा, उसमें बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो हर क्वार्टर जिधर भी जाएगा उसमें सबसे पहले ये होगा, केस इन पॉइंट इस्लामाबाद, अगर जनवरी है इट विल बी सी लीग, फेब्रुवरी है इट विल बी बी लीग, मार्च है इट विल बी ए लीग. Likewise in Lahore, 3 months top to down C, B, A. Likewise in Karachi, and October inshallah we would have that Champions League.
And are you planning to open up, let's say second year, obviously if all goes well and you get good traction in the first year. Second year में do you plan on opening up more teams and
More teams and more cities. 6 cities and 10 teams next year inshallah.
बासिम जो प्लेयर्स हैं वो इस्लामाबाद पिंडी के ही हैं या we can
Anyone can come anywhere and play, but the stipulation is he plays at one place. If somebody flies from Karachi and plays in Islamabad, he does not play in Karachi. He does not play in Lahore. Not everywhere.
As for the sponsorships, जो आप टीम को sponsorships होंगे, कितनी आप sort of brands, उसके लिमिटेशन है कि आप spot limitation on the jerseys or the branding rights?
Definitely there is a spot limitation. और we are going to tell you कि यार इतने spots हैं जो हम आपको दे रहे हैं, but that would be a good number.
sorry, usually in other sports जिस तरह हो रहा होता है, जिस तरह हम लोग कर रहे होते हैं फुटबॉल में, क्रिकेट में, let's say it's front, back and 2 shoulders. So these are the 4 spots that usually, would it be the same in this? Will we be able to get, let's say, a bigger sponsor which is powered by, and then back sponsor and 2 shoulder sponsors?
Powered by, तो basically we would eventually have a title sponsor for the league.
So the league powered by वाला ही will be the
Yeah, for kids के ऊपर वही जाएगा जो टीम्स के ऊपर, जो टीम्स के पास आएगा इनिशियली फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर. फॉर द सेकंड ईयर डेफिनेटली जब हम इसको थोड़ा क्लब्स को और ऑटोनोमस कर रहे होंगे वो उनके पास जाना शुरू हो जाएगी. बट फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर वो जाहिर है वहीं पे आएगा. हाँ, वो वहीं पे रहेगा, वो मेन जगह वही रिटेन करेगा.
स्पॉन्सर्स को ब्रांडिंग, जो आपके क्लब स्पॉन्सर्स हैं, उनको अदर देन जर्सीज कहीं ब्रांडिंग राइट्स मिल रहे हैं?
उनको फिलहाल सिर्फ जर्सीज के ऊपर ब्रांडिंग राइट्स.
नॉट ऑन सोशल मीडिया या कहीं भी आपके मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे?
for the league itself.
नॉट फॉर द लीग, फॉर द पीपल.
नहीं,
League में भी उनको मिलेगी branding.
कहीं भी अदर देन द जर्सीज.
आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड किस तरह.
Basically, if we are getting a sponsor for a team,
ठीक है,
the अच्छी amount में sponsor दे रहे हैं, obviously their main concern would be their branding rights.
ठीक है,
Branding rights, all the jerseys आपने कहा हो जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
Other than that, उनके कहीं पर branding उनको मिल रही है jerseys के अलावा. On, for instance, PPL के social media पे या on the facilities या कहीं.
फैसिलिटीज़ के ऊपर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, जब फैसिलिटीज़ होगा दैट जो लीग के स्पॉन्सर्स आ रहे होंगे वी वुड बी अकोमोडेटिंग देम, जो लीग के स्पॉन्सर्स आ रहे हैं। एज इट हैपन्स इन एनी स्पोर्ट, जो एरिना होता है वो लीग के पास चला जाता है, किट्स टीम के पास चली जाती हैं, अदर देन अ फ्यू स्लॉट्स जो बेसिक से स्लॉट्स हैं जो वो उसके पास आ जाते हैं लीग के पास। इस फॉर्मूला के ऊपर ये डिवाइस हुआ हुआ है।
अपना सोशल मीडिया हैंडल उसके साथ
So this, I was going to ask the same question. So if let's say we were to take a team, so we have the right to make their own socials and then brand them out.
Definitely.
Brand our own sponsors.
Definitely.
Because at least that way we.
नहीं बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, देखें आपने अपनी फ्रेंचाइज क्लब इज अ यूनिट इन इटसेल्फ, आप उसका सोशल बनाते हैं, आप उसके ऊपर उसके सोशल से कोई कोलैबोरेशन लेके आते हैं, दैट इज टोटली योर प्रोडक्ट, वो आपकी चीज है। डेफिनेटली वो हमारा पुश तो टीम सबको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा ना। पीपीएल का जो सारा पुश आना है वो टीम्स, पीपीएल अकेले एज अ इंडिविजुअल प्रोडक्ट तो नहीं ग्रो कर सकता ना, ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स पीपीएल के ही हैं, इन सब ने मिलके ही ग्रो करना है। तो जिधर जिधर बैंडविड्थ पीपीएल को मिल रही है वहां हर जगह इन फ्रेंचाइज क्लब्स को भी मिलेगी साथ साथ। Question? Thank you so much for your time.